In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your email address on your Gumroad account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So whether you've decided to switch to a new email, or perhaps you just want to tidy up your account information, updating your email address on Gumroad is a simple process that you'll be happy to know takes just a few minutes. First, let's start by getting you logged into your Gumroad account. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Gumroad URL. Once the page loads, locate the Login button, which is typically at the top right corner of the screen. Click that button, and you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Just fill in your email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, Gumroad also has a recovery option that you can take advantage of. Now that you're all logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Your dashboard is essentially your command center for everything related to your Gumroad account. From here you can manage your products, check your sales, and modify your personal information. Next, let's focus on the settings. Look around on the dashboard. You should see an option labeled Settings. This is where a lot of important account management happens. Go ahead and click on the Settings option. You'll be taken to a new page where you can see various sections related to your account. As you navigate this settings page, you'll notice a section that shows your user ID and other account details. This is the area where you can change or update your email address. You might see your current email address displayed prominently, which confirms the account you are managing. To update your email address, simply click on the current email address shown. This action should allow you to type in a new one. If you're switching to a new email, ensure that you enter it carefully. A small typo can lead to frustration in the future, where you might miss out on important notifications or even sales receipts. Once you've typed in your new email, double-check it. Make sure it's spelled correctly and that it's an email you have access to, as Gumroad will likely send you a confirmation email to this address. After you've input the new email address and are confident in your entry, look for the Update Settings button. This is typically located at the bottom of the section where you edited your email. Click on that button, and just like that, you're done. You've successfully updated your email address. It's often recommended to check your new email immediately. Open up your email inbox and look for a confirmation message from Gumroad. If you see it, fantastic! That means they've recognized the changes you made. If you don't find it in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes emails can get routed incorrectly. And that's all it takes to change your email address on your Gumroad account. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial for ensuring that you're receiving all the important communications related to your creations and sales. Keeping your information up to date not only makes things easier for you, but it also helps your customers stay connected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using Gumroad and other platforms effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you manage your Gumroad account with ease. See you in